All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're starting a little late here today, but I know you guys will see the recording, or maybe you're listening with us now. We're going to talk of how to hit a home run within less than 20 minutes and how to hit your weekly goal in that as well, and exactly what it sounds like. I am Mark Melnick, and this is the Newsbeat Show. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Newsbeat Show. And I would just like to apologize. I know I started a little late today, and you guys have been, always used to seeing me normally on time at 7:30. And I'm going to show you how we hit a home run today. And if pretty much this does not convince you that you really need to be part of a community like this, I honestly don't even know what will. I mean, to me, this is going to be absolutely phenomenal. And there was a video in which I'll be sharing with you guys. And basically, I just wanted to show you what actually happened here today. And if I told you we bought AAL today and I showed you this daily chart and we bought it today, you would probably think that there was really nothing special. But here is the power of news flow. I'll prove it to you. Just give me one moment. I'm going to take you to a 1 minute chart. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I want to show you what it looks like. Right over here in AAL, this is a 1 minute chart. This happened today at 10:08 a.m. We were buying AAL. I mean, I got filled when the stock was trading at 43.06. And the way it sounds like is actually pretty phenomenal. There's actually a video. And there's actually a video in which I probably should have put in the comment section, but T3 already sent it out. If you wish to see it, it's on the website is actually like right over here. It's basically calling a spike before it happens, and if you want to just copy that URL, it's pain in the butt to type it in. You could look back at the video and just hear how it sounds in real time. And now I'm just going to explain it to you. So right around 10:08 a.m. today, 38 minutes into the market open, we caught on to American Airlines. And what happened was I went in with raised conviction in the room. We were buying the crap out of American Airlines right here at 10:08 a.m. This is what American Airlines did on the 1 minute. It went from 43.06 to 44.71 in a matter of 16 minutes. Now, most of you would think, okay, that was a nice call, it's a great move. But it's not about the move that was even important here in AAL. That was the least important thing that happened in AAL. The point was you were in a place where there was conviction. One trader in the room made over $32,000. Another trader in the room made over $9,000. Another trader texted me made $2,500. And I have dozens. I mean, one was 5,000, one was 7,000. We have so many of these emails and text messages because when everybody in the room around you is taking and catching these names in real time, you're on to something special. You're onto something special. I denoted my elevated conviction in the room. You can hear exactly what it sounds like. You can literally hear, I don't know if you could hear it through this video, but I'll repeat it for you. It basically, all right, about 5,000 shares of AAL. I bought 5,000
American
AAL.
Airlines,
American
5,000 shares
Airlines,
right
5,000 shares right
It's at
now.
43.06.
So at 43.06, I'm buying it right now.
Long
That's
AAL.
me, long AAL. That's me repeating my words from this video, which is being shared out there. And the powerful thing is we're doing it right over here, and it just explodes in 18 minutes, and we were able to catch momentum. Every single airline started rallying at that point. Every single airline started exploding after 10:08. Here's a 5-minute chart. So whether you were in JetBlue, or whether you were in UAL, or whether you were in AAL, or whether you were even in Alaska Airlines actually didn't move. Oh no, that's AK Steel. I meant AL. Oh, ALK. That's Alaska Air Group. Whoops. That one moved. It didn't matter which airline you bought. But to have somebody in real time tell you that that's their conviction play, there are traders today who made their months, their I don't want to say years because even the trader who made over 30 in the room on this trade, I mean they have a 7-figure salary, so I wouldn't say they made their years, but there are a lot of traders who made their weeks and a lot of traders who made their months. The timing of news in our room is unparalleled to anywhere else on the planet in which you will receive this information. I don't know how to tell you how important it is. Every trader tells me, I mean, I spoke with a trader, and again, I'm running my show late today because I was teaching a class all night and I didn't want to let you guys down. So I literally just stopped answering questions. And before I could even use the toilet, I just literally, hopped on the Newsbeat show to share this with you guys. So again, phenomenal, phenomenal timing. Anybody who says news is not the most important factor of making money in the market doesn't really make good money consistently. Making good money and making good money consistently is a different story. Showing me a trader who's up 200,000 for the year and showing me a trader who's up 200,000 but is making money 95% of their days are two completely different traders. I know that consistency is the most important part of trading because what happens is if you want to make, let's say you're a trader, right? You want to make $200 a day, modest, right? That's 1,000 a week. That's 48,000 a year, right? 200. That's 1,000 a week. 4 weeks in a month is 4,000. 4,000 times 12 months in a year is 48,000, right? Let's say you just want to be that trader. You're just a modest trader. You're not. I mean, you'd love to make the big numbers, but you also have realistic expectations, which anyone can respect, and you want to just start turning consistent. That is the most important part for you. If you want to make 48,000 a year, if you want to average $200 a day on average, you need to have one day where you make $4,800 or more. You need to have at least one day where you make 10% of your annual goal. If you do not, you will not achieve your annual goal. It just doesn't happen. I've seen thousands and thousands of traders. The trades that we provide, ladies and gentlemen, in the Newsbeat live room will help you several times to make your annual goal. Several times over. We have traders who are millionaires. Several handfuls of traders who are millionaires in our room. And the reason for that is they're awesome traders and they appreciate the type of stuff we bring in the room. There are traders who utilize our room for anything, but even if you utilize our room for nothing but my highest conviction ideas, and I denote my highest conviction ideas. It's very easy. There's a video playing the clip, the live clip from our room today of how it sounded like when I bought this. I don't front run anyone. There are traders in our room who are buying the stock, by the way, when it was down by 43.06. There are traders who caught 43, 43.01, 43.02. There are traders who are buying it cheaper than me in real time. And you have to hear it, you have to see it, because to most people, it's absolutely incredible, and the majority of people are instantly sold. Here's the thing. Since I came back to T3, it was like in August. It was August 2015 since I came back to T3. So August 2015 to today, June, July, August. Let's call it 2 years and 9 months. Let's call it like 2 years and 9 months since I've been back in T3. In terms of higher conviction ideas in which I denote in real time prior to taking a position, which I denote in real time on an audio in a live trading room, in terms of these ideas, I have had a total of 203 of them. 203 of them. Now, they weren't all evenly spaced out. A lot of them actually happened in 2015 and a lot happened in 2016. In fact, over 140 of them happened between those 2 years of late 2015 to 2016. But out of those trades, how many of them do you think I made money on? How many of them do you think I made money on? And I have 203 higher conviction ideas in which I denote in real time that they're higher conviction ideas before I actually buy them. How many times do you think I actually capitalize on them? 201 times out of 203 times I make money on those ideas. There are traders in the room who'll do their own trades. They don't even want my other trades. They'll just do those trades and they'll make hundreds and hundreds of times the room's value and just doing nothing else but that. And they're traders who make a living off doing that. And it sounds too good to be true. So, they came to me and T3 came to me and they're like, "What the hell happened today? That was incredible. That was amazing." And I'm like, "Yeah, if I told you it happened, you probably would think it was too good to be true." And they're like, "I agree, but I heard you say it and it was amazing." So they literally took the audio of what it sounded like in my room to take this trade in real time, and you can actually go and listen to it. And it is absolutely incredible and it is absolutely phenomenal. And if you want to know that there are traders out there who know where to catch a lot of names, either algorithmic analysis or breaking news or the combination of both, you found it right here in the Newsbeat live room. We are a completely unique room. We believe in buying things near the bottom. We don't believe in chasing anything. We believe in sticking to a strict methodology. We believe consistency is the only way to trade. We don't believe in big losses at all. We believe in big gains. We help all the traders around us. We answer hundreds and hundreds of emails. I say we, but really it's I answer hundreds and hundreds of emails. I answer calls. I help traders. I pick them up. I help try and do everything I can humanly possible to ensure their success. And by sharing a trade like this with the room today, I think that's just further proof of my commitment to the success of you as a trader. So again, absolutely phenomenal. I know you guys are going to be wildly successful traders in the Newsbeat live room. As you know, we got dozens and dozens. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people in the room now. I mean, we're really the fastest growing trading room in the nation, and we just got so many emails like people paying like 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times their annual subscription in one day, just with an idea like this. If you are taking options, the 43 and a half option calls expiring this week on AAL, we're up over, you ready for this? 2,000%. 2,000%. If you invested $300 in it, saying that you'd only lose $300 and you sold at the tippy top, which was hard if you were managing to do that. I'm just showing you potential. You would have made $6,000. If you invested $1,000, you would have made $20,000. I mean, that would have been your peak potential. I'm not saying you would have caught that. A lot of people caught 7, 8, 900%. A lot of people caught 1,000%. The majority of people did. And it's things like this in which you need as a trader. And I'm really coming out to you saying this. And here is my message for you. We're not having an open house for a while. I think middle of July is going to be our next open house. Do not be foolish and let months go by when traders like us are killing it. Do not do it. Do not let months go by when traders like us are absolutely killing it. Let us help you. Take a trial of the room. It's $7. It's $7. Tell me it is not the most amazing service that you've ever been in your entire life, and I will thank you for your time. Try the room. Why? Do you think I give any, about the $7, or even if you sign up, you think that money's what does it for me? I make less than 1% of my money from T3. And I say that with my head up high, and I'm honored to be here at T3 while saying that. And the reason for that is I am a trader at the end of the day, and I know that I can bring you to this next level. So come on this journey with me. Sign up for a $7 trial, whatever it is, and tell me that this is not the most incredible place you've ever seen in existence today when it comes to trading rooms in general. That's my challenge for you. So just going back, that's our home run in 20 minutes. I know that was a little I don't know. It's too good to be true, right? It happens. Um, our game plan in Forex today. I'm gonna set it up for you guys. Actually, right now, I'm gonna actually set it up for you, ladies and gentlemen, right now. Because again, I was doing a class tonight, and I'm gonna give you MDGL as my name, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you here. So MDGL was one of those names that just absolutely exploded on positive drug data, and you saw this one go through the roof, and it's a very expensive name, but I think there's a very good chance that you're going to get follow through into tomorrow's high. So I'm going to give you MDGL. I know it's an expensive name. Bullish trigger at $273.19. I did not get to all my Forex trades, unfortunately, but I will do them tomorrow. Like I literally like right after the bell, I did an entire class. That's why I was late here today. I do apologize for those who depend and enjoy watching this show at 7:30. Really sorry for that, as the class did end up, taking more than the allocated time in which I was hoping. So I'm looking forward to a phenomenal week of trading. It was an absolute wild, wild day here today. We caught some really, really nice plays. If you guys also remember, just real quick, the Snapchat that we were giving you, um, you know, the Snapchat that we were giving you here, and we said watch it tomorrow because it could really explode, and I really like it. That one really did explode, and it really did get that Momo to the upside. And I think there's a good chance that we might get a little bit of follow through tomorrow on the Snapchat. So really looking forward to see the way this one trades. Nonetheless, right now we're going to go right into our full stock analysis that is for Newsbeat Live members only and for members who take the $7 trial. It's your stocks, my levels and thoughts. I just wanted to share with you a phenomenal real time trade. Let me help you. Let me help take you to that next level. I hope you guys enjoyed the Newsbeat show. Happy trading, make money, and I'll see you guys next time on the Newsbeat Live trading broadcast. Have a wonderful, blessed, wonderful evening.